2010 Corolla. This is my vehicle. I'm actually gonna, I just got done doing the oil change and I'm gonna reset that light. I usually never reset it because I don't care on my vehicle, but just a note, if you hook up a scan tool, I don't know if it is how it is on other scan tools, but this scan tool, which is the Think Tool Pro S, and it's very blurry, sorry about that, but what you want to do is it's actually quicker to do it this way than it is to hook a scan tool up. You got to go to trip A, turn the ignition off, right? And then you got to hold this and then turn the key back on, which I'm trying to do one-handed, and it should flash down. You see how it's flashing down? And then it'll be all zeros. And then it should, yep, it should be done. So it's gone.